Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Welcome to today's English listening practice. Today, we will learn about coffee. Coffee is a drink made from roasted and ground coffee beans. Coffee has caffeine. Caffeine helps increase alertness. It helps reduce fatigue. Now, where does coffee come from? Coffee beans are the seeds of the coffee plant's fruit. This fruit is called coffee cherries. Coffee cherries look like small red berries. Coffee plants mostly grow in tropical regions. These regions are in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Now, let's talk about why coffee is good for you. Drinking coffee in moderation can help your health. Studies say coffee may reduce the risk of heart disease. It may also reduce the risk of stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. Some research shows that coffee drinkers may live longer. Coffee may help protect against type 2 diabetes. It can help control blood sugar levels. This means it lowers the risk of developing diabetes. Coffee also helps reduce the risk of Parkinson's disease. The caffeine in coffee can help manage Parkinson's symptoms. But what are the harms of coffee? Drinking too much coffee can cause some problems. Too much caffeine can lead to anxiety and restlessness. Drinking coffee late in the day may cause sleep problems. It can make it hard to sleep. Coffee can also cause digestive issues. Regular caffeine use can lead to caffeine dependence. Now, which country produces the best and highest quality coffee? Ethiopia is known as the birthplace of coffee. Colombian coffee has a smooth taste and balanced acidity. Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer. Some of the most expensive coffees include black ivory coffee. Another famous coffee is Kopi Luwak. History says an Ethiopian shepherd named Kaldi discovered coffee. Did you know that coffee beans are actually seeds? Also, caffeine blocks the effects of a chemical called adenosine. Some studies suggest that moderate coffee drinking is linked to a longer life. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned new things about coffee today. Remember, whether you love coffee or not, it is interesting to know about it. Keep practicing your English listening. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.